guys. Okay, so we're gonna go get lunch right now. What are you gonna get? Chips. Chips? Alright, she's gonna go get chips. She was on a diet.
You on camera.
You are.
Everybody who's gonna see this video,
guess what? I got 103 subscribers. Yeah. Put me on a vlog. Alright. What's your name? Anthony. Anthony? Hi, Anthony. I'm Dara.
I want to start my own YouTube channel.
Oh, you do too? You should.
But I don't have a camera.
You see me? I have my phone. Oh. Yeah. You should subscribe.
Alright. What's your name?
Dara Martinez. D-A-R-A. It's lit! You guys, bad news. They took our table. Saddest thing ever, right?
Where'd they go?
Well, we're only sophomores, so what can we do, right? I hate you, Mandy. I like, let me look at this. Alright. Oh my goodness. 290 calories for the whole bag.
Yes, I know, Dara.
The whole bag, Mandy. The whole bag.
Yeah, I know.
I thought you wanted to lose weight. Then what is this?
I don't know.
I'm really disappointed in you. You know that? Like, really disappointed.
Look at them. They look bomb as
Am I on
hell.
Snapchat?
Yeah, Snapchat, you know? Yeah. Chinga tu puta madre. Violence.
You're abusive. You know that?
Fuck up.
Abusive. Rude.
Mira.
Mira que. How do you do your hair?
Magic.
Oh.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
Imagination.
You're getting copyright.
No, I'm not.
Trust me, bitch.
Guys, I came back home and now I am starving. I suck at YouTube right now.
So I've been watching a lot of fitness videos recently and I've been seeing a lot of people use this, so I want to try it out.
That tastes so good. I recommend those pancakes. Buy them. They're at Costco. Go buy it. Hashtag not sponsored, but sponsor me, please. Oh my god, I remember when I couldn't be able to see this. I got like, you know the lines? You see that? You see? I'm very happy for how I look right now. Yes. I mean, like, you guys don't know what I used to look like, but I used to be pretty chubby. Like, really chubby. Probably one day I will make a video on that, but not right now, you know? Like, I want to be fit, and then I can do that. Okay. Anyways, I'm ready, and I'm about to paint my face with some blue and black for DP, you know. I'm just really hyped. Okay, let's do this.
Okay, so this green stuff, if you guys were wondering, it's aloe vera. Everyone asks me because I take it to school and they're like, what the heck are you putting on your face? And I tell them it's aloe vera and they're like, what the heck? Like, really? Like, yes, really. I don't know if I'm sick, but if I'm sick, you know why I sound like this, so goodbye. So like right here, I almost dropped the paint on my carpet. I was like, nah, that's Gucci. And I was using this crazy loom thing that I used to have. I didn't know what to use with. I didn't know what to use that for anyway, so I was like, might as well use it for the dots, you know?
Hold up. Now I'm ready for the DP game. I was gonna bring this hat, but like, you know, it's school property, so no. Okay, Mandy's outside, so I'm gonna go. Bye. It was a bad idea to wear this. It's like raining, like a little bit. Sprinkling. There we go. I don't know why. Why it has to rain today. Like, why? Out of all days, like, out of all the days, it had to rain specifically today.
On the first day, on their first home game.
And then this thing is gonna slide, like, it's gonna slide off.
Wait, how did you do it?
I was like, I dipped it in the, you know, the crazy loom thingy?
The what?
I don't know, this one thing. And then I just like dotted my stuff. Oh god. Oh, look at the children. Why did it have to rain? Why? I know you look weird, that's what I'm saying. You look weird. Why does it keep turning black on my screen? My screen keeps turning black every time I record. Hey Mandy, careful, careful, careful! So badly! It ended, guys. What? That was so short. I think it's because it's raining really hard. Like, dude, that thing was like really short. It's because it's raining a lot, like a lot. I don't know if my paint is dripping off. Money back? You need my money back? Well, that was a fail. Okay, honestly, I don't know what's going on in there, but they're under the bleachers.
It's a team meeting.
Team meeting? I don't know, it looks pretty dope. Let's go in. I need the umbrella too. I'm just kidding. Well, they made us go to the cafeteria. Don't know what we're gonna do there, but it's because it's raining really hard. And I don't know what we're gonna do there, but let's see. I said there's a bathroom right there. Do you wanna go? Oh, you're lucky it was open. She needs to pee really bad.
It's fucking clean.
Dude, why doesn't Desert Prince have mirrors? That's one thing that this school needs to change. They need to add mirrors. Shit! Wait, give it to me! Give it to me! Hello? Hello? What? We said to come to the cafeteria because everyone's coming. Just come, Mario. Mario, come. Come on, it's gonna be lit. Come on. I don't know. You get to see Mandy. Come on, I'm gonna hang up, okay? I'll see you here. Okay, bye. Look at this. Oh my god. There's a smudge, guys. I don't even know. I feel soap. Oh, it's been 10 minutes in this boring cafeteria. Don't know what we're waiting for. Probably for it to cool down, but I'm not sure. Since there's nothing else to do, we're just gonna look at the snack. I can get that one. No. She wants to lose weight, but she keeps eating chips.
Oh my god, it's stuck! It's stuck.
Success.
Guess what's coming up?
Which one's coming up? Oh my god! How are you doing?
You left your change to that.
That's the main trend.
Here.
Mine?
Yes. That's the vending machine.
That was my change.
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Thank you, Bendy.
I sponsored these.
We're just sitting here in the rain, on the bench, doing nothing. They got canceled. Give me my $3 back, you know. You know, my $3 back. I think we're gonna leave because everyone left already. The game is already canceled, and it's not even raining. It's sprinkling.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's already dark. It's not even 9 yet, but I just want to see who's outside, like who's waiting and stuff, you know. Who? Mario? Shh. I think I heard him. We're just walking here,
Yeah.
and it's so long.
It's not even raining, Mario. You should come, you know?
Yeah, dude, everyone's leaving. Like, oh my goodness. Where are we going, Mandy?
I don't know where the fuck I'm going. I'm just walking.
I know, same. Dude, look at this. What if they splashed it on us? Look, there's Mario. Bro, look at this. Oh my god. I don't even know. You can't even see, but oh my god. Bro.
Mario!
Mario! Mario!
Look right there.
If we were all friends and like in this rain, you know, like we would have just gone to you know whose house and just chill, play some games, you know, like you know, like in this rain, like just imagine just going home after the game, well not at my house, but like you know their house, and then like go play some video games, chill, watch movies, play some Monopoly, bro. Guys, I'm really talking to you, and you know who you are. I really miss you guys. And just know, doors are always open. I'm never gonna think of you as another bad person. Like, mistakes happen for a reason. Mistakes happen for a reason, and I just hope that we can all be friends together again. What do you say? Mandy? What do you say, Mario?
Back fuck up.
What do you say, Mandy? Huh? What do you say? About what I just said. What do you mean, eh? Bro.
I think I can make it. Can I make it?
Oh no. Bro, no.
Hold on, I wanna see.
I'm dead. Jesus. Watching phone.
Do it! Right there! No, wait, let him go!
Oh, his phone.
Candy, you crazy.
Oh my god, bro. Yeah.
Ready?
Back up! What even stuck to it?
No, I'm about to be mad as fuck.
Party's over, guys. They turned off the lights. Dude, the background looks hella cool. Like, party's over. See you guys back at home. Goodbye. Okay. Did he leave?
Yes.
Wait, why'd they leave? What the heck?
No, it's because they're gonna turn around.
Oh, I thought they left you.
No.
I was like, what the hell? Can't even see yourself.
Seriously, I'm not black?
No.
Get up, please.
Then, goodbye, Mandy.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice weekend.
Have a nice life. I'm not gonna see you anymore.
Shut up.